Wonderful. Welcome back to your show, Odo Ahomaso on Adom TV. Hey, baby, thank you so much. But don't forget to go to Dr. Amuzu. It's so important. Today on the program, and we've gone really far to our brothers and sisters. You see, I'm here with my beautiful, gorgeous, my queens and king, my Liberian family. How are we, baby?
Oh, we are fine.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
I'm very good.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's my dad in here. Hey, Jawusu.
Come on.
You good?
I'm all right.
You're right.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is Mercedes.
Yes.
I just love the name. Mercedes, how are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling great.
You're feeling great?
Yeah.
And this is Frederica.
Yes, I am.
Hey, Frederica.
Yeah.
You mean today you're on the show?
I am on the show live.
Live?
Yeah.
You're yearning to come to this show.
Oh, sure.
And today you are on.
Oh, yes.
You're on live.
I have achieved my first goal in Ghana. I'm honored today to be in the studio.
Wow.
Yeah.
So do Medase.
Oh,
Medase
yeah.
means thank you.
Medakse.
Medase.
Ghana, Medakse, Africa, Medakse, Universe, Medakse, Liberia. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
To the next level.
Yes.
And now somebody say hello.
Yes, of course.
Of course. So do your Medase. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, Medase.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
And then let's see you do Medase.
Yes, Midasi.
Medase. Okay. So which part of Liberia do you guys come from?
Okay, precisely. I'm from Maryland.
Maryland?
Yeah, Harper City.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So your people are watching you now.
Yes,
I know
they
they watch the show. They love the show.
Oh, yes.
Especially the sex positions and everything.
Of course, they are going to enjoy it tonight.
Oh, really?
Because when it comes to that, I can lie to you, we are number one.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
You're lying.
I'm going to convince you tonight.
I hear you.
Yeah.
Easy, baby. Frederica, easy on me. Okay, so Mercedes, which part of Liberia do you come from?
We are from the same county.
Yeah.
But I'm from Plebo.
Plebo.
Yes, we have districts.
Oh, district.
So she's from Harper and I'm from Plebo.
Okay.
But the same Maryland.
All right.
Yeah.
How long have you been in Ghana?
I've been in Ghana like 10 years now.
10 years?
Yeah.
You mean you've been here for 10 years?
Yes, in and out.
Okay, you go and then come back home here.
Yes.
You love Ghana?
Yeah, Ghana is peaceful. Ghana is sweet. I love Ghana.
Chale, Medase. And how long have you been here too?
Like 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
She brought you here?
No?
You came on your own?
Sure. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Have you also been in and out?
Of course.
Wow.
This is my base, but I go and come.
You mean Ghana is your base?
Yeah, part of my home.
Uh-huh.
This is my base. I go around other countries in my home and I come back. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. Adeshimaima and our wonderful Queen Royal Sisters from Liberia. We are here to learn some of your culture, relationship, marriage, how we take care of our babies. I mean, and everything. But mathematics, certainly, as Frederica is really, we will know whether Nigeria and, sorry, I said Nigeria, Liberia and Ghana, I mean, when they come to lovemaking, who is best?
Oh, for me,
Hey, easy.
Okay.
Do you know where I come from?
No.
Do you know where I come from?
No.
Medase. So relax.
Medase.
We get there. All right, let me acknowledge my sponsor.
Okay.
Yes, Anaju insecticide spray. Meaning, so by now, dear, in every home you have this Anaju insecticide spray. We need to kill all the insecticides so we can, insects, so that we can sleep peacefully. All right. And then we also have the Anaju Black Mosquito Coil. 12 hours. The fragrance is solid and it kills all the mosquitoes. So no malaria in our homes, no malaria in our villages, and we are just going scot-free. Yeah. And then apart from that, we have the Fly Away Flies Killer. Fly Away Flies Killer. It is here. It's also a fumigator. A fumigate seriously. Other for meaning so right now, dear. We can do ube fear na park or market here. Ube to dining in emu, ube to krobia, na fe was so. I mean, we see no agidem ho. And we be a wo biano, ni nyina ebetsu. O kanshi, kaneshi, makola, all the big shops. It is there. Our vehicles in Chrome. Get and start business with it. Have you seen this in your Liberia camp there?
Yeah, I've seen it in a couple of shops.
Great. You need to get it. You need to grab it. And you can also start a business. I know you're working, but you can add this to your business. You see, the package is so wonderful.
Yeah.
It's inviting.
Yeah.
All right.
Sure.
So you got to get this.
Okay.
All right.
I will.
Honestly, Liberians, you're wonderful people.
Thank you.
I have a couple of friends who come from Liberia. They watch me. I have my Facebook friends. I have my Instagram friends, my LinkedIn, and I love you. They know I love them more. All right. In fact, today, in particular, I want to learn from you. And I know my viewers, they're also going to learn from you seriously. Jewusu, anytime he comes on his show, he talks about Liberian women. How good you are, how great you people are, how hardworking you are, how you adore your men, how you are so helpful. But when it comes to mathematics, he tells me, Ash, you guys are so sexy. And I'm going to find out. I'll find out.
Yeah.
I'll find out, and we're going to see. All right. So tell us, how different is your relationship? And how different is your relationship from ours?
Okay. Firstly, I would like to talk about our food.
Your food?
Yes.
Hey! All right.
I would like to talk about our food. Rice rice is our staple food as Liberians. We love rice very much, and then we eat lots of leaves.
Leaves?
Yes.
Okay.
Like we have leaves like cassava leaves. That also is shared with goats. In my country, that is what they give to goats on it, and we also eat it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the goats eat the cassava leaves?
Yes.
So you share the goat food?
Yes.
Okay.
Which we also eat it. It's not only for goats, we also eat it. And then we eat something like potato grains. It's another leaf. It's like contombre.
Contombre, okay.
Yes, like contombre. And we have something like callus grains.
I see.
There's another leaf called callus grain. That one it has scent. When you are cooking it, you smell all over the place.
Oh, wow.
And we eat a lot of things different from here. Okay. Like the way you people eat a lot of tomatoes, like the fresh tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
In every stew, we don't eat it. We only eat fresh tomatoes in stew.
Oh, okay. So you don't put it in your soup?
No, only stew.
Only stew?
Yes.
Like rice stew you're talking about, or yam stew?
No, like the one you people call gravy. We call that
gravy. Okay,
you
gravy.
Say stew, but we call that gravy.
Gravy, okay.
Yes. That is when we use tomato to prepare gravy.
Okay.
You understand? So that is some of that. You people eat the bankun.
Yes.
No, we don't eat bankun. It's now that Ghanaians in Liberians is now like taking bankun and being introduced there, but we don't eat bankun.
You don't eat bankun?
No.
The corn dough with the cassava dough that we prepare, you don't take bankun?
We don't take bankun, but the one you call cassava dough is what we call fufu.
Oh.
You see.
So you just use the cassava dough for your bankun?
Yes.
For fufu?
Yes.
Okay.
We do it like your own bankun and it becomes the same hard way.
So do you eat it with okra stew?
Yes.
Or? Okay.
Okra stew, light stew. And then we eat the cassava. We boil the cassava and we can eat it normally.
I also eat cassava.
Okay. Boiled cassava.
Yeah, boiled cassava.
With pan soup.
Wow.
With light soup, we eat it that way.
Okay.
You see, so that is some of the difference between
your meals.
Food, yes,
okay.
And our food is, that's how it is there.
Okay.
Yes.
But we also okay. Before that, do you have anything to add?
Oh yes. Pertaining to the food aspect. Yeah. Okay. We also use the palm soup with the fufu. At times, we grate it. That is, the more with the grater, the one you use to grate the okra. Yes. We use that. We grate the cassava.
You grate the cassava?
Yes, and we boil it, and we beat it, and we eat it with palm soup at times. And then we also eat it with other different soups like pepper soup, but we put okra in it.
Okay.
Yes.
And I become a bit slimy.
Yeah, so it can be lubricated to pass in the throat. Yes. And pertaining to the food aspect again, we are all into leaves. Yes.
I see. That's great.
Yes.
Leaf is good. You know, it keeps the body.
We eat leaves a lot. We use the rice stable.
Okay.
We use the fufu at times, but the rice is stable with different soups.
Soups. Okay.
Yes. The gravy, the cassava leaves, the potato grains, the Edo leaves, the cabbage. Yes. So bean stew. You know, we just mixed it up. Yeah. But one of the things that we are actually not used to is eating with the hands.
You don't eat your hands?
We are not used to that. For us, we eat with spoons normally.
But you guys behave like Americans, so
no,
for that I know.
We are all Africans.
I know.
But we were colonized by the American Colonization Society. Yeah, we are all Africans, but you were colonized by the British, but we were colonized by the American Colonization Society, which is the ACS.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
you behave like them, like the Americans?
Not really, but most likely.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, let me come in small.
Yeah, I see that.
I think the people have been in Liberia for so many years. There are certain things that maybe they forget to bring in.
Okay.
Something like the way Ghana people can speak, their own English and their own different.
Okay.
That is, Liberian cannot pronounce the last word. Just example, egg.
Egg.
If Ghana man is speaking, you say egg.
Yeah.
But if you are in Liberia, if somebody is selling egg, you will not say egg. I want egg.
I want egg.
That one, I can speak to the guy, you understand me.
But I will not understand.
You will not understand me.
Great.
The reason is, I was in Liberia, there was a time I was in Liberia, I was in my room, I heard somebody say, boy,
What is?
Okay.
Boy.
You cannot understand.
Boiled egg and raw egg.
But
oh my goodness.
You cannot understand because what? If Ghana man is speaking, you say, boiled egg, raw egg, the J will come. But Liberian man say, boiled egg, raw egg. What do you mean of that boiled egg, raw egg? Well, I can't answer. That's, oh, Jesus. The person is selling raw egg.
And then
let's say if Ghana you say fresh egg, and then the boiling one. But they will say boiled egg, raw egg. I say, oh God, boy, what do you mean of boiled egg, raw egg? Until I come to myself, oh, now they are all English that they can form. I can speak to the guy, understand me, but you never be in Liberia, you will not understand.
But as we say, if you are gossiping about me, I'll not hear.
You know, something like a child can ma I want poo, mama want pee. What the meaning of it?
I want pee.
I want poo.
And then they say unite. I want to unite.
Okay, but Ghana men will not say I want poo.
Ah.
You understand me?
Yeah,
no child in Ghana here can say, ma, I want poo.
All right.
Mama, I want toilet. I won't go to toilet. But Liberian man can say, I want poo, ma, I want pee. But mother will understand what the child is saying.
Yes.
Okay.
So that one is different from Ghana and Liberia.
Okay. All right.
Okay, let me.
So it's our language.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, I want to chip something in. In every country, they have the broken languages. That is, as well as Nigerians, Ghanaians, and Liberians.
Yeah.
We have our broken language. That is, we call it the colloqua.
Colloqua.
Yeah, we call it colloqua.
Colloqua. Colloqua.
Yes.
Okay.
When I want to ask you a question, to say, where are you? I can say, ba, where are you? Or ba, where you at?
Ba,
where you at?
Ba, where you at? Ba,
where you at?
Where you at?
Where are you?
Oh, okay. Ba, where you at? Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I do.
So every country have his or her broken languages.
Okay.
So that is our pidgin. It is called colloqua.
Colloqua.
When we speak it, you never understand.
Yes.
You will never understand. You feel you are in another world. But it is our broken language. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. My cities.
Pertaining to the same issue.
Yeah.
Even I have a lot of Ghanaian friends be like, I want to learn your language. I said that is not my language. It's my pidgin. Okay. Like when I came to Ghana before, I had a friend. He would be like, Charlie, I will come to your day. I was like, what is I will come to your day? Is I'm coming to your place.
Oh, so you also speak very good English.
We speak very good English. So it's like the way you say, Charlie, where you day? All those kind of, you understand?
They are not good English. They're speaking it's pidgin.
So English. The one people have been hearing us speaking. That is our own pidgin. But we speak standard English. Yes. Okay. Where are you? Can I come? Can I see you? We also say, but because when we are like amongst ourselves, then we speak those pidgin. But most people think that it's a language.
It's not a language. No, it's not so now you're educating us that if you have a Liberian friend, you better speak the good English with the person. But the other one, they are pidgin English, which is not going to help you.
When they are speaking, somebody sit there somewhere will say, oh, the boy are not speaking good English. The people, the English is not good. Whereby when you get a pen and paper to write, the same way Ghana men can write, the same Liberian woman too can write.
Wow.
The same thing. But they can tell the people that the people don't know how to speak English. They are English, you know. But one thing I take from there is normal day. Let's say way back before 1970s. If you are Ghanaian, if you've never been to school, it will be hard for you to speak English.
I see.
But when you go to Liberia, a child born from today, come up, can speak English. You understand me? Now that Ghanaians are learning that children now going to international school, or that children like 5 years, 4 years can speak English. But Liberia, normally when I went in Liberia, a child like this, you born a child 1 year, 2 years. When you speak English to a person, you understand you.
Okay.
So that is
Frederica, does it mean you don't have any native language?
Oh, we have different vernaculars.
Okay.
In Liberia, we have 16 tribes. We have the Grobo, we have the Kwele, we have the Vai, we have the Mandingo, we have the Kisi, we have the Dane. I mean, you just name it. There are many. And they are formed in 3 different ethnic groups. We have the Kwa speaking group, which I'm for honor. We have the Mende speaking group, and we have the Mandingo.
So you speak the Mandingo?
No.
Okay. Which one do you?
The Kwa speaking group.
So how do you say like good morning in Ekwa?
Like in the global people, we say, well, you know.
What? Well, you know.
Yeah, well, you know, good morning.
Good morning. Just like Ewe, it's just like some Ewe language.
Yeah.
Well, you know.
Well, you know, na fair day yo.
Okay.
Good morning. How you feeling? Na fair day yo.
Okay. Well, you know, na fair day yo. Well, you know, na fair day yo. Great. That's good morning.
How you feeling? That
okay. So teach me give me the evening one. So at least when I come on the show, I can greet my Liberian people.
Okay, where she's from, she's from Plebo. I'm from Harper.
Yeah.
So, Amonjiao.
Amonjiao.
That means,
good
evening. Like the evening time when the people are men in there, you say Amonjiao. That means greetings to all. Okay. Amonjiao.
Amonjiao.
This is Barebo.
It's like Akan language. Mechiamo. Amonjiao.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So you see some of the things. Some of the words we use in mind tribe, when people say like semena, we say this. It's the same.
Semena is soap.
In global, it's the same seme.
Oh, okay, seme.
It means soap.
Okay.
You see. So sometimes there are things we say. Ghanaians when they say and you ask them, what did you just say? And then it's the same thing we say in our local this thing.
Okay.
You understand? So I think the time I've stayed in Ghana, I've learned a lot of things. You understand? Yes, I've learned a lot of things because there are a lot of things here that's different from our tradition and culture. For example,
really?
The way we bath our babies when they are born. You get a top or a ball, and you don't place the babies in the ball because their back is not strong yet. You understand? So you get a bowl when a baby is born. You get a bowl when a baby is born because the baby is still tender. The baby is still tender. Okay, let me give you this and then use it. So this is the baby and the baby is born. So this baby is still tender.
Wait a minute. Wait. Adeshimaima Odo Ahomaso nie. Say ye jamo kakra minim say mote the eka. But and no yenye Liberian sisters and ejewususum papa so they be say akoma omo show Odo Ahomaso so na yesusu bibi efa every year ye di kan no mo che so moduane die o ma che mo nuane die ya na nwura do so wom babanchia ha be ya ye de ma mponchi o mo de o ni mponchi nyina na edidie je say and no soon amodi wo just say no so ahaban manua. Yes, if you want to live healthy, no, you knew any dear man have by no and no so no the woman near habano agro cra and mo dear and mo air rice no and the mudipa a ben quinny in cutting quinny a bunebunini any bia mudidi but or just so my dear yemono and yet a diani bia no more tied in toast baby gum said the idea diania and maybe I know who's on toast I mean my intimini the bia no in toast I can't home and I may I won't prank and on my wife say Becca but almost shall see any woman diani tea now won't say diania be dear atoso de no rain no doso no e mo apomden wo hwe ye mai omoti omo efe pa afa ni edu so no che se ade ba ko no hu se oba fa yefu no wo ekwa efa so edware nkwala no eni omode no ensusue dem ense se no me de ayi e friend say teddy bed yi amano na ofa nchire kwan a say I go abofra you dware nefa so go I just explain to my people.
Okay, so when the baby is born, because the baby is tender, so we don't place the babies in the top, because some people when they are bathing the babies mistakenly the water enter the baby's nostril. You understand? So when we are bathing the baby, we place our legs on the top like this in the country. So we support the baby's back with our legs, and this is where we put the baby and bath the baby.
We also do that.
Okay, you also do it.
Yeah, in the yes,
but
we don't stretch it that much.
Okay, that's how we do ours. And bath the baby. You understand? That is one thing we do in our country. And then when it comes to putting the baby to bed, and we bath our baby's head round in Liberia. Every child that is born, male and female, when we are bathing them, you use the towel every morning. You do the hair round so that the hair is going to have a nice shape. You understand? That's how we do it. We don't do it like other way, only round. So if you notice, that child is going to have a very round and nice
just
head.
like your head.
Yes, very nice like mine. If you see it, so and then that is one thing we do. And I notice here is not that way. Okay. And then putting our babies to bed, we don't lie our babies on their back.
I see.
No.
Why?
When they are tender, because number one, it also makes hair flat.
Okay, the head.
Because of the pressure, it makes hair flat, and then it makes the buttocks flat.
So, I mean, great.
Yes.
When you make your baby lie on the back, the head will be flat and the butt will be flat.
Yes. Okay. So we put our babies on the side or mostly on the stomach. Yes. And when you put the baby on the stomach, they sleep for very longer period too. Yes. So that's how we do our babies. And here, that is one thing I know is different.
So have you been educating them?
Yeah, I sometimes tell some friends, you know. So that is one thing I notice here. And also the leaves that we eat. If you notice, every Liberian that is born with butters, and the leaves in our country is one thing that gives us butters. So if you want to get butters,
wait. Mercedes, are you saying the leaves that you eat gives you a very big back?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, come on, let the woman stand up. Let's see whether you get butt or you not get.
Let's see.
Tell your back. She's not bad. Okay, so now you want to tell me because the leaves you eat make sure you get butt. I don't believe it.
You don't believe it?
It's true. You know, leaves are very good.
If you said that,
leaves are very good. You understand? Even it's good for the skin.
I know.
And then it's good. Every Liberian is born.
I love your shape. You got a beautiful shape.
Because of the leaves, you understand? So it helps us give us good body, work in our body, the blood and everything. So we eat leaves. And you see, we are all good.
So the leaves gives you very good skin.
Yeah,
I can see. I love leaves. You know.
You see, if you don't believe it, you see. Have you seen?
I'm not saying I'm not believing you.
Have you seen goats?
Goats, yes.
If you see goat all the time, they have shape. They're female goats. You watch them. The down is always big.
I haven't taken notice.
Oh, you notice from here.
Okay.
The goats.
It's true. I haven't noticed.
You notice? Okay. The down is always big with hips. With hips. Goats. Because they eat leaves, cassava leaf.
Oh my God!
Mercedes. All right.
So I can't believe it. The reason is
no, relax.
Don't worry, I'm a Western woman.
Yeah,
okay?
she said she's a Western woman.
She's a Western Liberian woman.
So she love her figure.
Yeah, I'm a model.
So you do things to be slim.
Yes, I train. I'm a model.
You're a model?
I'm an actress, I'm a model, and I'm a fashion designer.
Okay.
I'm a presenter as well.
Okay.
I was working with one of the biggest radio stations in Liberia, which of course I want to link with this radio station, this TV station, that is Hot FM, 107.9 Liberia. After this program, we are going to talk.
Okay.
Because I want us to unite, to work together. Anything that we'll be doing in Ghana, we are going to be doing it on Hot FM, on the radio, in Liberia as well. So after this, we are going to have the links together.
Certainly.
So after this, yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
We are learning from you. We are so happy that you're on the show. Globally, we've been watched here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanted to say something?
Yeah, I also want to talk about our marriages.
Yes,
come there.
Yeah.
Step by step.
Don't worry.
You're going far.
Yeah.
Step by step.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
I can see.
No, we were talking about, he said because of the leaf that they eat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's you understood it. So because of the leaf, that is why we are always
You the one said it.
Oh,
Yes, you the one said it.
Of
But if
course.
you compare yourself, your butt.
She says she's a model. She doesn't
model.
want to waste. Doesn't want to
So
be
why
there.
do you-
she's
because you
training
are
her body.
I'm training. I'm
If
in
she
shape. I
decides
train.
not to train,
Oh,
she
no,
can be
I
very
train.
big.
I will show you a picture of mine when I was not training.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I will show you a picture when I started training.
Training.
You will compare them.
Okay.
I have my phone here. When I finish,
I
I will show you
know.
it.
So when you were not training, you had your body
You will
right.
see everything in shape on me.
Okay.
At the time, and the older one and the present one. If
Okay.
you compare them, you will know that I have something. Even when I stand, I see the shape is still
It's still there.
No, man, nothing there.
Don't worry,
something
because
there.
I'm
Nothing
training.
there.
Who told you?
But even with that,
Nothing
one,
there.
let me see, 90% of Liberians, they have it. Maybe just
Wait,
10%
the next time I'm coming in the studio, I'm bringing another Liberian. Yeah.
For me to see.
You will see the shape. I'm telling you.
I hear you.
But we having the same thing in Ghana here.
Yeah, but
Oh,
we are not
Jamusu.
the
You have the same thing in Ghana?
No, Ghana have it. I can see it.
He
I
has
can
been
see
in
it.
Liberia, so I don't know if he was really
No, of course, I mean,
touring.
like, the way you talking now, you
if
people are
he was
condemning my
touring-
people.
On the contrary,
No,
we are
I just
not.
so
Okay.
Oh, no,
I was here, I understand.
I said
Relax.
Ghanaian.
I understand.
a moment.
I
A
understand.
moment.
Oh, no.
I said I understand.
No,
Okay.
they are not looking down
No,
upon
way,
us
never.
at all.
Okay.
They are only telling us
Yes.
to eat healthy
Yes.
so that we can get a lot of bath.
Yes.
So stop wearing the artificial baths.
Yes.
You understand? So they are not condemning anybody.
Okay.
No, not at all. Yes, it's
I understand.
education
I
they are
understand.
giving us. All right? Frederica here says she was like Mercedes, but because she's a model, she needs to train. Yeah, and she's a Western woman too, so she needs to train. All right, I don't think we are belittling anybody here.
Yeah.
All right, let's jump into our relationships and see. Do Ghanaian men? No. I'm sure you've been here for 10 years, and you are here for 5 years.
Yes.
At least you know how Ghanaian men behave.
Yeah.
Do they treat their women differently from the Liberian men do?
Very well. Differently.
What?
Yeah.
You mean?
Very differently.
Ghanaians, we are better?
No.
Oh,
No.
explain.
Liberian men treat their women very well, both physical and spiritual, in fact, in bed and out of bed.
Hey.
Yeah. They are
I like that.
You know, she don't like that.
I like it.
We are hating relationship.
They are lying.
I wish mama say yeah.
Why would you tell me?
Oh, Eja.
They are lying.
Relax. Eja, relax. Eja, relax.
Oh my God.
What it is say you be ra and pretend money our dear mo. Said ye mema any ye man no edi nkita ho fa. Any woman so mo mema any emma di nkita ho fa. Mercedes say woman mema no soro entie Mercedes go ahead.
Excuse me to come in. If not that time you do example here.
Yes, what example?
What you say? You say Ghanaians, they are better than Ghanaians. Let's have example.
No, relax.
Oh,
relax.
It's Sissy, but Sissy. Just wait.
Frederica, relax.
Okay. Relax. I like the discussion.
Okay. Yes, I love it too.
I love it.
I like it too. You have been in Liberia for years.
Of course.
I'm sure you got there before. Maybe some of them were born.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
Did you ever date a Liberian woman?
No, I never dated any Liberian woman.
You haven't slept with any?
What?
You haven't slept with any?
Oh, I've been sleeping with so many Liberians.
Okay, so
I know how they can perform. But the way you were saying that, then their men, they are better than Ghanaians.
Relax. She will explain.
Okay.
Oh, I just was so patient.
When you explain, I will explain.
I hear you. So just be patient, okay? Mercedes, don't let him intimidate you.
No, I'm not doing it. It's really let's
no problem. But wait, do you understand?
Me already.
Okay.
Well, I don't have anything against anybody.
Great.
I have not been frustrated by any Ghanaian man.
Okay.
But whatever I'm saying is due to my experience with them.
Okay, great.
Okay, I will firstly talk about even the physical aspect, not even the sex.
Okay.
Liberian men are loving and caring.
Okay.
You understand? When you are dating a Liberian man, you don't need to ask.
Okay.
They are the kind of people, they find a way into your heart and into your life.
Wow.
You understand?
Liberian men.
Yes.
Will find a way
into your heart into your life.
Into your life.
Yeah, and that is, if you have little problem, they know how to help you.
Okay.
You don't have to go begging them. When he's with you, he knows that you have a problem.
Okay.
Because he has found a way into your heart.
Great.
A Liberian man comes home, he sees his wife sitting down quietly. Honey, what is going on? Let's go out to the mall and just take a drink. It don't have to be a holiday, which I saw here. A Ghana man only takes his wife out on a holiday, on her birthday,
it's true.
Valentine.
It's true.
You understand?
It's true.
But Liberian men, no. Once he's home, he saw his wife sitting down, not happy, sad. He takes a stroll with her, maybe buy a drink for her, makes her happy, bring her home. Maybe that day he's even going to put water for her to bath and all of that.
Oh, I see. They are that romantic.
Yes, you understand. Now, when it comes to sex, hey, Liberian man, they are actors in the room, and they are actors. They act film in that room, but they make love like they are doing blue film.
May I say where we like?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, say that again.
All right.
Yeah.
You don't reach my 10, so I'm not talking. When you reach my 10, I'll come in, so I'm not talking nothing.
Relax.
Okay.
I'm coming to you now.
Okay,
Come to you. I'm almost about to leave you.
This is what Mercedes said.
Yes.
She said Liberian men treat their women better. You are a Ghanaian man. Defend it.
Akuma,
yes.
The reason is I've been in Liberia for so many years.
Great.
Down to their language they can speak, I can speak.
Okay.
Good morning, how are you? Let each other one I can understand.
All right.
When they speak, I can speak.
Okay.
The same thing applies to them.
Yeah.
When I say it is saying, I think they can understand.
Of course.
Okay. Now, in terms of what the guy is saying, that their men,
Mercedes.
Yeah, their men, they are caring,
they are more romantic. Yes. That's all she means.
Very.
I approach one woman. Let me tell you, now I see as I sitting out here. They call me Daniel Wusu, but somebody calling me young boy papi.
Young boy papi.
Yeah, what do you mean? You understand?
I don't understand.
Okay.
Young boy papi.
Yeah, it means don't overlook me last.
You're old man.
Old man.
You're a young boy.
Yes, exactly.
When it comes to what?
When it comes to,
bedmatics.
Exactly so.
Love making.
I can't lie to you. So while when
no, but that's not what we are talking about. We are not talking about love making. We're talking about caring.
It's part of it.
We'll come to love making. But right now, Mercedes is talking about caring.
Caring. Yeah.
Caring about women. That's what she's talking about.
The same thing in Ghana here.
Relax now.
Same thing in Ghana.
Eja.
The same thing is
do you care about women?
Exactly.
When you come home and your wife is sitting quietly, will you take her out to go and have a drink with her?
I'm supposed to ask them, why are you sitting down for? What the meaning? What happened to you? I got to ask. I cannot just come. Why you sitting there? Let's go.
That wasn't what I was saying. I'm saying the
if I come from work and see you sitting down quiet in the house.
Can I come in there?
Let me finish.
Okay.
My finish, you can't eat.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Finish.
I come when I come from work and see my wife sitting down quietly, maybe sometimes maybe you will be sitting like this. I will ask you, before I will greet you before I ask you, what happened? Is there any problem? She the one will tell me if any problem in the house, you will tell me. If no problem, she will tell me.
Okay.
From there,
you know what to do.
Exactly.
Me that's say. Adishima, my mouth that come on I de aso. But when you about me pa, obet me come Instagram page and start bringing your comments. Mercedes here told us about the Liberian men, how they take care, they find a way get into yourself and then your heart and know your problems. When he asks you, what's wrong with you? You're not feeling good. They take you out to go and have a drink, come and relax you, and even that day, if you're not careful, he is going to bath you. All right, great. And me pamucho wo are men doing that? Ye men manusa no mo ye. Ye nua ba Mercedes say, Liberia mema ewo abotre ewo ma ho. Ehu de ehia o fi adwuma ba na so wote ho na why bosan obisa say den na awo wo ka chado so kenya abote ye mpie nkwanante kakramra ye mema no dodo yesa ana wo munye send me the messages eje wusu say oh ye dodo ye bro so ene ye be hwe de meko me be call Francisca Frederica
yeah.
Why do you think that Liberian men really care for their women than the Ghanaian men?
The problem, when you have a relationship, you should know the person very well.
Okay.
Whenever they are happy or not, the happy time and the bad times.
So you study each other.
Yes, this is why you should know your partner when they are happy or when they are sad. When, for instance, if my husband is coming from work, always I run to him, I kiss him, I remove his clothes.
Relax. When your husband comes from work,
when he comes from work, I'm always running to him, kiss him.
You get to him,
kiss
and then kiss him,
remove his things, take his bag to the house. But this time around, he's coming. I'm even sitting. I'm not showing any sign. It comes to him that she's not happy, so he go directly to her, kiss her, and say, "Honey, let's go in. I know you are not happy."
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
He will undress, bath. In fact, you just take her like that. You at times you will not bath, you know. You just drop the bag, take her for a walk, kiss her, and say, "Honey, let's go." Just tell me, baby. Maybe at times he will tickle her to make her to laugh because the face is frown. You understand? Then she will start to laugh. She say, you know. Then she start to tell him, but he will not come. What happened to you? Can you tell me this now?
No. He relaxes you first.
Yes, he calm you down before he asks you a question. That is Liberian man for you.
Okay. I had the papa. Frederica, what I was saying. I am pa the Mercedes Sikano. Now, so no, the oil say, Seni Kufi, a Juma ba, or Shiano. Gate and I obligate one or say hello, honey. I you want to send a kiss was so mudi aba, no baby in a tadia man on near was a woman be on my but so kunuba no one say I said net Mary one more any idea no or kunu for crime be so and I better for crime be so no emane nya esre bi ansa we bi say I say na de won say what here diet say ansa we ka okay me enko nante kakra na ina say kwa nante no onye ye no be ma no mo na ye ho adwuma oye ho adwuma say onunu oye asresem emo asre la baby beba e na ye chire na nyam bia ye mamu hanso mema no wo mo te sa na ene emi na me bisa Minka si mema ni nyina nye wo monye sa o baka kra bi pe na esa de ma no ene ma ni tifie wo fie adwuma ba ka wo de adwuma sam na awra fie enti se ni tie ne ya nkwa na ene kra wo nhwe ene wo nyina na ye kan ye nka si mema no mu ni mehwe ye kra kakra bi na ya de aka de oh just kill it. All right.
Yeah.
I just explained what you said.
Okay. So that's it.
Will it be very easy for a Liberian lady and a Ghanaian guy to really go out successfully?
Yes, like for me, I was dating a Ghanaian guy.
Oh, you're dating a Ghanaian guy?
Yes, to be honest, there's this thing they are very, like they are not open, if I may say.
Oh, I see.
When I have my boyfriend, I'm an actress. I like to kiss my boyfriend. I like him to be romantic.
Yeah.
But at times, oh, you there? I don't do that. Yes. Oh, stop. Oh, stop. Yes. That's my boyfriend. I already used to love him, but he always, at that time, he used to break my heart.
Okay.
Yes. When I want to show up with my man, he's not like that. Oh, no. I said, oh, sweetie, I'm not like that. So let's do it. You know, at times I started talking to him from one stage to another. He started being okay, and even in the bed. You understand? When I want to give him blowjob, oh no, I don't do that. I said, oh Jesus, I got to teach you this. You know what? Yes, I got to teach you this because I love it and I love you, and you must be open. Okay. You understand?
But okay.
Yeah. So I take, you know, I said, baby, you know what? I'm a very romantic woman. When we are going in bed, I like being romantic.
Relax, we'll get to the bedmatics.
Yeah, okay. So I started teaching him from one stage to another.
Was he learning?
Yes.
Good.
He started learning, he started improving, and things got better.
Okay.
And later on, because he was a Muslim, and he asked me to change to a Muslim, and I told him, no, I cannot leave my relation for you. So he got married, but we are best friends. Okay. You understand the relationship still stands, and this is how I think it should be. We should educate one another. Yes. I'm waiting. Yeah. Help your partner. If he doesn't know anything, teach him. So, honey, it's like this, it's like this. Like, work on it, try it. I know you don't like it, but try it. As time goes back, I mean, he started fighting me, he started doing it. So, it was like, it was a bomb, and it was good.
It was good.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
This is my Frederica. I just said, oh no, or date. He says, or half of in 5 years ni. Na o date Ghanaian man. No, actress. I just said, oh no, mrafumo jaka kra ewo ni mo. Enti ono de ope kissing, family ni udi agro. But na sa time no. Ne Ghana bema no ne hihye ho no bema ne mpesa de no o ka so so mi ko si kiss mi ko si no si sa de empratwe ntimi enkoso ye enti o kire no na o kire no so no ayeye kama but e do sometime be na abrante ne Muslim ni na opese ono so esesa eba ho no si da bi me pa cho me de me ntimi be me gina no se me ye Kristo ni e ho na me gina but abrante na mpene na no akwa worry but omo ye na fofo say Enti, you know, I was say church say, and be ready to learn. I success position, sir. Me now for 4 year edition. You know, sweetie. Man improve the marriage life. On swear. All right, it is yes, about boy. So Mercedes, upon what Frederica said now that the Ghanaian guy was not really actively wanted. Don't you see it's cultural differences because we are not taught that way. These things. You know, we don't show romance in public.
I wouldn't say it's cultural differences. Seriously, that is how they want to do it. They don't want to explore. You see, they don't want to let go. Like when I came to Ghana, by then, when girls were making love, they would off the lights in the room.
Okay.
And some wouldn't even remove their tops, you understand?
They
will use bed sheet. But if you compare 5 years back and now it's different. It's different. Now the girls even want to be naked in the streets.
Oh, yeah.
So talk less about the room. They are already ready to even naked in the room and on the lights, you understand? They are improving. They are learning. And the question you asked her, I say yes. It is very easy for a Ghana guy to date a Liberian woman or marry her because Liberian girls knows how to have sex.
Okay.
They understand sex or they understand love making. And it's very easy to win a Ghanaian man heart is by sex.
With love making.
Love making.
You've said something serious, Pao. I just my man. And Pema Gray, Bubum Pay, was see a very easy, Liberian lady about winning Ghanaian man because they do understand love. Na one ye na discipline ma na edie koba dia and na asamasi eja wusu eyampa. I'm asking eja wusu. So indeed, if you get a Liberian woman to sleep with, that you may leave your wife. Eja wusu.
Me?
Now, not you per se. Oh.
But you asking the question.
Yes, I'm asking. Generally.
So I asking Adam me. Though I have a Liberian
Girlfriend.
Yeah, let's say girlfriend.
Okay.
But you know, I'm a married man.
I know.
To leave my wife and marry different woman, I can't able.
Okay.
I cannot.
You can't able is you cannot. What do you mean? I can't able. Yeah. Wow.
So friendship, we have friendship. I can have a friend. I can have an
Are
affair.
Are they good in love making? Are Liberian women good in love making? No, you have tested. You have tested.
Listen to me. I've tested it.
Are they good in love making?
They are good. But they are. I'm not saying they are not good. They are good.
But what?
The reason why I said they are good, I'll give you an example.
Yes.
You know, Liberians, the way what do you call it? Mercedes sitting here.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of work you do.
And Frederica sitting here.
Okay, I don't know what kind of work they are doing.
Okay.
But you know, our women, Ghanaian women, Ghanaian woman will wake up about 3 o'clock to go to work.
Yes.
It may come maybe by 6 o'clock in the evening. It may be that time you are tired. You see, the same person is coming to cook, eat. Then when you go to bed, then the man say, I
want the children.
Yeah, when you go to bed, the man say, I want to have an affair with you. He may say that I'm tired. Okay, but a better woman, no.
She will not say
the woman, the better woman, no. Any place you say you won't do it, if you want 100%, you give it to you. The one I know for Liberians.
Just agree with
I'm giving you a break, all right? Let's just flow. And what's the time he was coming, he was talking. So please, I want you to give him a break and he should proceed. Can you please proceed? Yes. Proceed.
What's the problem?
Leave him, okay?
So what I know from Liberians, when it comes to sex,
yes,
because of it may be that it's not doing hard work.
Okay.
So when it comes to the house, then you say you want to have an affair with her, she will agree with you. But it may be Ghanaian woman, maybe I've been working let's say the whole day. So when you go behind her, you say, me tired, all my body hurting me.
But what about Liberian? Are you saying Liberian don't work hard?
They can work, but their own part in terms of sex, anything you want it 10 times, he will give it to you.
Okay, whether she's tired or not.
Whether he's tired or not, he will give it to you.
Okay, so
the only thing that I can give them 100% over there. Besides that,
love making is 100%.
Besides that,
okay.
Yes, the reason I said I disagreed when he said he wants to defend that Ghanaians women wake up early morning and he goes to work. No.
We also wake up morning.
Yes, but sex is the mind.
Great.
As you said here right now, if you think about sex, the thing is going to stand.
Oh, yes.
Even if you are tired,
it will stand.
Even if you are tired or not.
Don't go there. Don't go there.
Eja will allow her to defend.
You understand?
Eja will
yes. Even if you are tired or not, the moment you think about this thing, you see you go stand. So it's not about strength. If you are tired, you understand?
Yeah.
What will you say about the white people? They go to work early morning, but when they want to do it, they just do it anytime.
Yeah.
Is it that they are not working or they don't wake up early? So that one I disagree with. Because I would just say maybe some women wants to be lazy. Because that is what going to drive the guys away. You have to.
Yes, they are just sometimes. Oh, Aji.
Hey, yes. When it's painful, you should say Aji.
No,
we don't want them to say Aji.
Communicate. Don't say Aji. Say honey. Take time.
Okay.
This sex is communication.
It's
a drama.
It's a drama.
Yes. I'm telling you. You understand?
It's an act. Love making is an act.
Yes, it's a drama. You have to perform the drama. Or it's hard to say honey. Please take time. You understand?
So you don't say Aji.
You don't say Aji. The person will feel you are enjoying it, so they want to do it harder.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll feel.
Oh, but if you are with a Ghanaian man and he says Aji, he knows is what he's doing is painful. You're not enjoying.
Aji,
so that is our language.
Differently. It comes differently. When I'm on my guy, when I write it, you say Aji. But he's not telling me it's paining him. So it's good to tell him, oh honey, it's paining.
Maybe the way you shake your butt.
The way you shake your butt, you don't have to whine on him like I'm whining on the clock.
Oh, that is cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Veronica.
Yes.
Jesus.
Yes. Asamasio. Oh, yes. If you are not lucky now, go to my way be asamato. And people go the munya ni hakrao. A year 24,000. Yeah, 24/7. Anytime Liberian woman is ready for love making.
They ready.
You ready?
Yes. That one part can give the 100%.
So let us learn. Ghanaian women, let's all learn. Oh, I know we are good, but we need to be more energetic in lovemaking. When they are tired, it comes to lovemaking, they don't say I'm tired because they know the lovemaking is really going to relax them. They know it's important in marriage. Let me read my Instagram pages a bit.
Okay.
Ibrahim Tanko, 948 Akuma, tell the ladies that they should find me one Liberian girl watching you live from Brazil, all the way from Brazil.
Yeah.
All the way from Brazil. All right. Miss says, I really love the discussion and also those girls. But Akuma, they are praising their guy, so we have to. We also have decent and loving, sexy guys here in Ghana too. Oh yes, I know. I've been saying that, but most of you guys are lazy. So wake up. When it comes to love making, you're lazy. Some of you are lazy. Okay. Wiz up here says Akuma, the man is taking Akuma, the man is taking what the woman are saying personal. Yes, sometimes you take the things personal. Okay. Tell him that they are saying what they are saying is a fact. Okay. I'm a Ghanaian, but I see what the women are saying to be true. Okay. So relax. Let them talk.
I understand.
Okay, nice. Dominic say, Mama, you are looking wow, may I say, this evening, and I really love your show. Keep it up. God bless you. Jesse from Dancerman. May I say. Keep it coming. Shatter 84 say, Mom. You and your panelists are looking great. And I say, and be honest with your Liberian people, like, and okay, with your Liberian people, like Alton, than Ghanaian looking at the what percentages, all right? We'll ask them too. I'm a Ghanaian anyway, and I have learned from what my sister said. He said they should wake up and then, you know, get into the heart and know the women more. He says he's really learning from this. We should take our women out. We only take our women out only on occasion. Listening live from Dacoman quarters. May I say. The guy is just saying that what you said is true. The men, the Ghanaian men, most of them take their wives and girlfriends out only on occasion. Like this Easter, we are going to go to Ko. Yeah. That's where you see a lot of guys taking their wives and girlfriends. Okay. Nash says, yes, today's show is sharp. I hope our men are learning from these. Ghanaian men are too rigid. It's about time they start caring. I'm watching you live with my husband and believes that whatever the ladies are saying is true. May I say, Charlie, people are, you know. Yeah. Okay, couples say, Mama, Ejewusu is right. We Ghanaian men are caring more than them. Oh, Sammy from South Korea, you don't want the truth, right? Okay, baby, yeah, say you're looking good. Akuma, may I say? Okay, so if Jessica says, Miss Hannah, I'm really enjoying the show, watching you live from USA. Big ups to you guys. Okay, most Ghanaian guys, boy says most Ghanaian guys are. Oh, I won't read that one. I don't like that. All right, so just keep your comments coming. I'm going to read. Let's be decent. We are all learning from each other. You know, on Mama Zimbi show, Odo Ahomaso is informative, educative, and also entertaining. So today we are just learning from our sisters from another mother, right? Liberia, we are all Africans, but we have different cultures, and the way we behave, even our food is different. I mean, the way we make love is also different. Yes. You see it's different? Yes. Okay. So, Ejewusu, you have been in there. Yeah. You are a Ghanaian man.
Of course.
Yes. How do Ghanaian women, sorry, I'm mixing them up, but how do Liberian women make love?
Okay, as I was saying, when I went there, I approached one woman, one Liberian woman.
Yes.
The woman was not a young, let's say it's not a young girl like this, an elderly person.
About what age?
About, let's say, about 40 years.
40 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I went in there with her in the room, I left my house. I went to the woman's house. I have an affair with the woman. But the way this girl is praising their men, what I did that particular day. What I did that particular day, the woman give me a name.
No, stop praising yourself. Stop praising yourself. What is that name? Something else.
What is the name she gave?
Okay, wait, I will tell you.
What is that name?
What I did, because me, I'm not 20 years, I'm not 30 years. I'm more than 50 years.
Yes, I know you're more than 50 years.
You understand me? Okay, now what I did. You know how the woman call me? You come and say, when I was going, you say, yeah, I was thinking you are old man, but the way I see, you are not old man. I'm not from today. I will not call you old man again. I'll call you young boy papi.
Oh, that's where you got the young boy papi from.
Exactly.
Papi,
So.
Young boy papi.
No,
Yes.
Papi, young boy.
I perform well. I perform good.
Wow.
So whenever I was sitting
All
there,
right, thank you so much for praising
what you want to
yourself.
tell me?
But how did the woman perform?
They can not say no. I told you initially that they can perform on bed more than our Ghanaian women.
Okay.
I told them initially.
Yeah.
But to me, what I saw over there, the one always saying that Liberian women can perform more.
So
than
you are saying and they are different. And we need you.
Oh,
what's what you say? But you are saying.
Oh, that one.
I want to know. Say,
as you were telling, as we were saying for the beginning,
yeah,
you know, Liberian they get shape. The way they will give it to you,
at the
whether you want it so, any type of style you want, he can give it to you.
It's been a long time he made love with a Liberian woman. He's forgotten.
No, I'm not forgetting.
You forgotten.
No.
Let me go to Frederica.
Okay, go ahead.
How do you ladies make love? You women, how do you make love?
Okay.
You're a Liberian woman.
Yes.
We want to learn.
Well, when it comes to the bed, we don't have rules.
When it comes to love making,
We don't have rules.
what do you mean you don't have rules?
That is, maybe we don't go maybe in the inners, but we like it's like porn. You understand?
Yes.
We do excessive romance.
Okay.
At times, maybe my boyfriend or the partner come first in that process if the person is not too strong.
Okay.
Yeah, because when I give you that romance, I can give you a tongue bath. From your head to your toes, I can bath you with my tongue.
You can do a tongue bath.
Oh, yes.
But just like, Frederica was so on there.
I'm telling you.
Wait.
Yes.
Or the big jaru one.
From your head to your toes.
See, we see a couple of us say.
Yeah.
Now, jaru was sana. Or we do nas na waba. Yes, go on.
Yeah, I can like you from your head to your toes.
Yes.
This is why when I get a boyfriend, I'll carry you to the medical center.
Okay.
I do your test. We both do our test. Know that we are free.
Right. This is very educative. Frederica say, one more dear. One more no we and Pranchia. One no back hospital. When you na mark your health check who say my pomodeno it's a saying. Mipacho, it's very, very important. Yet they say, oh, me, I'm okay. No, it's the doctor who is supposed to check and know, say, you are healthy. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Go on.
So I carry to the medical center. We do our test. Because when I'm going there, I don't have rules.
Good.
My only rules is not the annual, is X.
May that say.
But from the head to the toes, I give you a tongue bath. If you are not strong, you will ejaculate first before I get the business, because I like to ride my house. I don't like my man riding me. I like to ride him.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait there, you can't see the pen. Frederica had dressed out there a bunny pen my ground. One person by my riding roll. No more a ride bear man. Now a bunny pen my ground. Just say maybe any and my back open the womb. Says Sabi on Cassie Dini True. And then the enemy now say a bapa say or grow who dear on the catch one of the chassis. Now went to me and dear, why we are now have fun. Then also won't for crown or no on him tricking or by some weapon. Ain't health check in the very, very, very important. I mean, so were you people taught how to make love?
I would just say it's an inbuilt, because our style, our lifestyle is almost like the U.S. and the Western, because we were colonized by the American colonization society. So you understand, we don't have rules there. I get you tested, I get started with you. Yes, and you know what? I like communication in having sex. You love making.
Yes.
I love communication.
So what do you do? What do you say?
Yes. When I'm doing it, you are enjoying it. Oh, baby, I'm enjoying it. Oh, yes. Then I get motivated to do it more. But when you are static, you are lying like someone who is dead, it makes me sick. This is why I gave you my rules and regulations.
That's
what I do.
Let's have an example here now.
No, relax. We haven't gotten there. We haven't gotten there.
It may be that in line.
I said we haven't gotten there.
I don't want you to leave your wife, because when I get rid of you, I'm telling you, you will sell your whole house. Don't tell me.
Relax.
Please, we are here. You are the judges.
Yes, you relax. I'll say. Yeah, none had any bano returns this year. A Jews be Janere, Bendy, dear Gray, Pensa, Ewa, your percent near Mano, as saw their camera. But okay, baby, was say ye D and Pema gra, wait and maybe I can, but a whole bassin on Subeca, and Amy de. Was say, so your bar no clue, no more dim Pema gra, a ya Casamo. Kasemu, mama love, me that say, I, my brother police here, mama love, me that say, and he was say, I was say a casa, I won't practice anymore. Was say, I am a day, I am a ya. Mamma Nada, me who jijin so na se ukasa e di anymore. And my bayman e mana modimbi, and my bonus of modimbi, and my empemwa grono. Eh, come, Mamma, I'm a hundred papa. So, how important is communication? In love making, how important?
Yeah, it's very important because it makes you understand how your partner feels and how he or she is enjoying what you are doing. You understand? You have to communicate. Tell your partner, I like it this way. Touch me this way. You understand? I see people making love and they don't say anything, like two dummies. No. For example, I dated a guy. Yeah, he's a Liberian guy who lives outside. Yeah. The first time I make love with that guy, I was like, I felt insulted. Really? You bitch. Oh my God. You bitch. Yeah. Motherfucker. I'm going to do this. So after everything, I got so cold. Then I was quiet. Then he came to me. Baby, what's going on? I said, don't touch me. Why were you being so rude? Why were you insulting me? Call me bitch, motherfucker. Open your leg, you know? Oh my God. I got so bad. I felt so bad. And he said, no. I just know how to communicate. So learn it. Learn it. And me too, I learned it. The next time we were doing it, I started to insulting. That's your mother. Your mother. So the guy said, you're insulting my mother, you're not communicating. You understand? But the mother of the fact, I learned from it. It's good to communicate. It makes it beautiful. Maybe the person wants to be touched somewhere, and the person will say, can you touch me here? Do this. Baby, I love it. Oh, do it more. Oh, God. You know, all this thing is nice. You can't just be looking at the person like, what is he doing? Right. Mercedes is where they are paying so say, a banner and Pema Godia. I will see it to me a Casemu, a mania kama. No, kind those days, say, oh, dear mamma, the mamma, or Kofa, Kofa, Liberian guy, Bina, a Budu and Pema grown out, be make a fucking diamond up in our ass. I think, Omudio, movie enough, whatever I was so. I said, and so ye dika kana wudi matem sa na o kire se o se sa ye mpema gode a ye samasa o ye bi hey so e kwata na agini say di me o hwe na e de say ai sa na o se ye ka e wo mpema agro eno ye dan mu adwaman ye didi ye ho atem Alishima, I just want to pick some few calls. I mean, they will certainly come again. This show will continue again. Today's week, you have to come on the show, and then we will finish up. All right, because we haven't gotten to nothing. The positions has to come and so many things. All right, okay. And so your phone lines at the mama. Mamina and I just black mosquito coil. Some say asane. Ko krom ne ko tobi. Shasu shall with your business. Na bibia enya come. Friends, see and also share wa adwene. 0302 211 701. Hey, Swansea, we might call about Odo Ahomaso. Swansea is online. Hi, baby, Swansea. Now, here.
Hi, Kuma.
Hi, darling. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm terrific. Are you enjoying the show?
Kuma, let me tell you something.
Yeah, come on, baby.
I called the number I called your show some time ago.
Yes.
And I told you I need a woman who is spoiled like you. You understand?
I remember.
You remember?
I do.
I need a woman who is spoiled like you.
Uh-huh.
But that aside, let me contribute to this.
All right.
Substantive topic.
Uh-huh.
The ladies over there are saying something.
Yes.
Honestly, let me tell you, Liberians, especially the women, are very good in bed.
That for yourself.
Honestly, I have never dated a Liberian woman before.
So how do you know?
I have friends who are married to Liberian women.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
I do.
They are very, very good. What the gentleman over there is doing, I know, just trying to defend Ghanaian men.
Yes.
He's trying to put round pipes in square holes.
Yeah.
You understand?
I do.
The ladies over there, honestly, Akuma, let me tell you something. When it comes to love making, one thing that I'm good at is the tongue bathing.
Oh, you're also good at tongue bathing. Hi, baby. Yo. Okay.
Very, very good.
All right. You know what? You have to send me an SMS text message on my number and send it to 0244-261200. That's my number.
The last time I called your number, you gave me your number.
Yes.
That you wanted me to be on your show.
Yes, so call again.
I called you.
Don't worry. Wait.
Akuma, let me die before you bury me. Wait.
I'm not burying you. All I'm saying is
let me finish with
there are a lot of
saying.
people on the line. So send me an SMS. Again, sweetheart. Sweetie, be romantic for me.
Give me the number again.
0244-261200. 0244-261200. Yes, just send me an SMS right away after the show. I'm going to call you, darling.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. So kudos to you. I hear you hitting, the hammer on the right nail. All right. Hello. Mema akwabadi Odo Ahomaso.
Yeah, hello.
All right. Hello. Your name and where you calling from, please?
I'm meeting.
Hello.
Malam.
In fact, we need to come to the show again. Yeah. But the sex positions, they will do it all.
You're sure?
Hello.
Oh, I'm meeting from Malam.
Okay, Malam, you're welcome to the show. Yetio.
Yeah. This is my first time calling.
Really?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Thanks so much.
But I'm half Ghanaian, half Liberian.
Oh, great.
But I like the girls around. And for Liberian girls, that I will tell you, I swear, they know how to do their thing.
Really?
They will give you better. I swear. They will give you, they will rock you, but you say they don't rock where.
They don't rock, eh?
Ghanaian women, you just can't be there one time.
Oh, some. I don't like that, some. Some of the Ghanaian women. Yes. What do you mean?
Some. And the guy who did me, I didn't show you, ma'am.
He's trying to defend. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much for your wonderful contribution. Hello, Sam. Hello. Thank you so much. Welcome on your show.
Thank you. Madam Akuma, you're looking good and elegant tonight.
I never want to grow old, baby, because I'm the love doctor, the queen of television, baby.
And I want to say one thing, that you know what, we're also romantic and caring, okay, guys? My baby, I love her so much, and I pamper her. I even cook for her in bed.
Wow.
And whenever she feels bad, I try to talk to her in a nice way. So we're also caring, and I love her so much. Though the Liberians also are very nice, especially the guys and the ladies as well. But nowadays, we're also caring. And
so you're learning. You guys are learning.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So we're also doing a lot. And I like your show, and I'll say shout out to my beloved princess. She's called Nanekia.
Oh, Nanekia, where is she now?
She's with me here right now in the room, and I love her so much.
Nanekia, give the phone to her. Nana Kia. Hi, Nana.
No. She's here with me.
Okay, Nana. Hello. I want to hear her voice. Hi, Nana.
Yeah, hello.
How are you, Nana?
I'm okay, and you?
I'm good. I'm terrific. I'm so relaxed.
Yeah,
Nana, is he going to marry you?
Oh, yeah, sure.
But you're not supposed to be with him by this time. You know that?
Yeah, just that I was not feeling well, so I just came there.
So there shouldn't be any love making today. Wear your dress.
Yeah, very sure.
Hi, my baby. You wear your dress for me, okay? Thank you so much, sweetheart. Time is up already, but I'm booking you. We haven't finished at all. It's just the tip of the iceberg that we've discussed. So today's week, next week Friday, you guys need to come on the show, and that is when at the end of the show we're going to do more. So what do you want to say? Your last words?
Okay, what I want to say, what the guy just said is true. Okay, you have to give the person their flowers while they are alive.
Okay.
The guys and Ghanaian girls and guys, they are learning now. They are improving, especially they are dressing.
Okay.
You see, now dress very well.
Okay.
You understand? They are taking care of themselves, face their hair on time, and the guys too are being romantic.
Okay.
You understand? They are learning, they are improving, which I appreciate. And I want to tell them they should keep learning, they should keep doing the right thing, and the girls should go extra miles to keep their guys.
Great.
That's all I have
That's
to
wonderful. Next week we continue from what you've just said. What do you tell our wonderful people?
Oh, I don't have nothing to say again.
You got nothing to say again? Because you're trying to defend the men.
Oh, not that I want to defend the men, but what they say, they say that we are learning from them. What should I do? I will agree.
Me that's Hi, Frederica.
Hi. And we are learning from one another. I can learn from you, you can learn from me. No man is an island.
Yes.
You understand? So we are not like saying we are the best. We also learn from other people.
Okay.
So when you have any opportunity, make maximum use out of it. Learn to the best. If you're a sweeper, sweep very good. This is what I'm saying. I want to say thank you to all of our viewers, our listeners. I appreciate the time, and I'm going to catch him next week. But before that, I want to give a shout out to a few people.
Okay.
I want to say shout out to my crew from my houses, Jebe, Jordan. All right, okay, to my boss Solo Compass. I want to blow the shout out to everyone, my friends, family, especially to my fans that are out there. I want to say thank you. Keep watching, and more shows and more programs is going to come. I want to say thanks to Adom TV management for allowing us to be on this occasion today. I love you so much. Thank you very much. God love you more.
I love you more. I just my Emrena sono me show say nua mai. Wo ma kan nyina. Oso nya opportunity so be sua de na nemote Odo Ahomaso eka say they are the best. They are number one. It's because they learn it. Almost every baby. And to say a pra tie do kan or say a pra na wo pra ni ye na sie ni ye. Na what you say ne mesama omo aba ni atraso. The Asian say they kitikiti bi o. Mama fast like say emma wo so oginya wa atu e wo fie internet so all over the country, all over the world they were watching the show today. A big thank you to my cameraman, my set designer, my light man, my sound man, and then also to you Mercedes Ejewusu, Frederica,
the makeup artist,
and the makeup artist, and then certainly the producer director Prince Ajay. We will definitely be back next week Friday. Baby, Thursday and Friday, but Friday is year 10, but Thursday is going to be a new ball game. Let's do Midasa to them. Midasa.